Good evening. I am Dharani, working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Technology. I am going to explain about senses of engineering ethics. Professional ethics. Professional ethics are principles that govern the behavior of person or group in a business environment. Like values, professional ethics provide rules on how a person should act towards other people and institutions in such an environment. Unlike values, professional ethics are often codified as the set of rules which are which a particular group of people use. This means that all those in a particular group will use the same professional ethics even though their values may be unique to each person. Ethical principles underpin all professional codes of conduct. Ethical principles may differ depending on the profession. For example, professional ethics that relate to medical practitioners will differ from those that relate to lawyers or real estate agents. Some universal ethical principles that apply across all professions are including honesty, trustworthiness, loyalty, respect for others, adherence to law, doing good and avoiding harm to others, accountability. Codes of conduct. Basis for prescribing required standards of behavior for members of profession seek to set out the expectation that profession and society have of its members. The intention to provide guidelines for the minimum standard of appropriate behavior in professional context. Codes of conduct alongside the general law of the land and personal values of members of the profession. Beneficiaries of codes of conduct: the public, clients, members of profession, the profession as the whole, others dealing with the profession. Senses of engineering ethics: a set of specific moral problems and issues relate to engineering. It is based on justified moral principles. Activity of understanding moral problems: set of belief and attitude for group displays concerning morality. Social responsible, professionally responsible. Senses of engineering ethics: there are two different senses of engineering ethics, namely normative and descriptive senses. Normative includes knowing moral values, finding accurate solutions to moral problems, and justifying moral judgment in engineering practices. Study of decisions, policies, and values that are morally desirable. The engineering practice and research, using codes of ethics and standards and applying them in their transactions by engineers. The descriptive sense refers to what specific individual or group of engineers believe and act without justifying their beliefs